Can you blow my whistle, baby? Whistle, baby, let me know. Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and we start real slow. You just put your lips together and you come real close. Can you blow my whistle, baby? Whistle, baby. Here we go. Look, I'm betting you like people, and I'm betting you love freak mode, and I'm betting you like girls to give love to girls and stroke your little ego. I bet you I'm guilty, your honor. That's just how we live in my genre. Who in the hell done paved the road wider? There's only one blow and one rider. I'm a damn shame, order more champagne, pull a damn hamstring, tryna.
Okay, for this experiment, we open the water supply and we went up the V4 and V2 to water fill in the boiler, and then we turn on the main switch for this experiment. Next, after we turn on the switch, then we fill up the tank with water for the certain level we set. Okay, firstly we line up the V2 and V3. This is V3 and this is V2. This is the V4 is to supply water to the tank. Okay, the function to we line up the V3 is to know the level measure of the tank inside this tank. Alright. After the water in the tank is we set is enough, cukup dalam ni tank, so we fully close the V4 as supply and we turn off the water supply. We cut the water supply. Okay, after that we see the vapor, and then we close the V3 and V1 and read the pressure. So okay, next after close the gauge, we waiting the bar until 0.0, 0.5, 1.0, 1.5 until 6. So when this meter turn into 0.5, then we can record the temperature. Okay, after 6.0, we need to switch off the switch, and then we waiting until the temperature will decrease. So we waiting 6.0. Okay, after we finish the record data 0.0 for the pressure, and we release the V3 and V1 fully open to release pressure. The pressure in this. Okay. After the V3 and V1 is fully open and to release our pressure inside the tank, lastly we turn off the main switch and we housekeeping at this experimental area. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.
Slow it down, baby, take a look. Blow my whistle, baby, let me know. Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and we start real slow. You just put your lips together and you come real close. Can you blow my whistle, baby?